Hi drawing students. So this week we are going to focus on positive and negative space. And I have a very simple task for you to get started. First, let me explain what positive and negative space are. Positive space is always your subject or the thing in your photo. So in this case, it is a chair or a photo, painting, artwork, drawing, anything. Positive space is always the subject. The background space is always the negative space. So background space is important to an artwork for design, but it's also super important for observation. Remember when we talked about our right brain and left brain? When you're looking with your left brain, your logical brain, or the verbal portion of your brain, you just see the object, you want to call it what it is, that's a chair, done. Your right brain is the side that helps you see and observe more carefully and will also help you improve your drawing. So when you're looking with your right brain, you can notice these negative spaces, and if you pay attention and draw carefully the negative spaces, then the positive, the chair, would actually show up. By focusing on the negative spaces and the weird shapes created by the negative spaces, your drawings can become much more accurate, because they tell you what the shape of the positive will be. And essentially when you draw it, you fit it together like a puzzle. So your job for this discussion post is to find an object in your house that is a chair, a stool, some kind of bench, maybe a plant if you want to, any object where you can easily show me the object and negative and positive space. Then I need you to go up to take a photograph of the object and then hit the edit tool right up here at the top. And once you get to edit, you can hit these three little dots at the top up here and you can mark up your image. Now markup allows you to grab color and you can choose any color you want. And once you get your photo, I want you to mark the positive space by labeling it positive. And then I want you to switch colors and either fill in, color in, or label all the negative spaces you see here. So you can take a big highlighter if you want and color in the negative spaces if that's more fun for you. So they pop out so we can see the negative spaces in the image. Or you can just label it negative, boom, in each one. And then I could, for these I can color it in really quick. Negative, negative, negative. I want you to notice all the negative spaces trapped in and around your object. So you can show me that you understand this idea. In your next practice, you'll be drawing, but in this practice, I want you to just show me you see negative spaces and take a photo of an object that includes positive and negative spaces. Whoop. And this is all negative spaces. And all of this would be negative out here, and this would be negative. Negative space is your background, positive space is your subject. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is your first task. Post the photo you take with the coloring on it to the discussion board.